Welcome to this tutorial on how to add interactive UI to your experiences. So in the previous video, we went over how to create an experience. This one will be how to develop it even further. So the first thing we'll go over is the product CTA. So if you just drag this in from our actors, and what this CTA does is you place it over any product in your experience. So this could be clothing, it could be beauty, it could be a car, whatever product you are trying to sell, this can be used. So let's just swap this type to product. As you can see, we've now got an extra cube just above, and this is the CTA. So for the UI, what a CTA is a call to action. So within our tool, this will be the visible button in the scene. So as you can see, now we've refreshed the visualizer. We can actually see this in our scene. So that is what will appear in the final tour. You also have fields for product ID. So this could be your SKU name. You have orient towards camera. So that means the UI will always face the user. And you can also change the CTA location to fixed presets. So wherever you want the UI, you can just move that with the presets, or you can move it manually as well, depending on what product you have in your scene. So as you can see in the tour now, we have our CTA visible. What a clickable is, it's similar to a product, but this can be used for a variety of different things. So a clickable, or CTA as we call it, is typically something that opens another screen, but it can be used for gamification. So collect all the symbols in the scene or stars, anything you can think of. Or it could also be a button to open a website. It can do a whole variety of different things. So in the scene, we have it to open our postcard gift finder. And this is really down to the user what you do with it. On all of these, you can have images as well. What the navigation UI does, it allows you to click on a button which is visible to the user, and it can teleport you to a different panorama. So this is useful for stairs, it's useful for entering different rooms, or it can also be used for easier navigation. So you could have these on the floor as arrows. The user clicks the arrow and it takes them to the next panorama. So it's quite vast in its functionality. And once again, we can just show the visualizer, and this is what the user will see. And on the navigation blueprint, we can select a hotspot, and this hotspot is going to be the one that when you click the button, it takes you to. So if we selected this hotspot inside, which is 4, and if we go back to our blueprint and click hotspot 4, so in the tour now, when the user clicks on this button, they will be teleported inside to that hotspot number 4. Let's just see a little demo of that now. So as you can see, we click the button and we're now teleported inside. The video blueprint is also really handy, as this allows you to play videos in your scene. So this can be used for product videos, informational videos. It can really be down to the user. If you were making a project for a cinema, you could have a cinema screen. And this is also really straightforward to set up. So it works similar to the media blueprint that's default in Unreal. So all you need to do is get a video, and select your video source, and then you'll see URLs generated, and we should be able to see that the video is now playing. One thing to note with videos is the more optimized they are, the better, as your users will have to stream these essentially from the server. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next part.